Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by our video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Gravitation, which is your unit 6 of your NEET syllabus. Okay, that's all. What is the question, sir? This question has been asked in the NEET examination the year 2016. Starting from the center of the earth, having radius r, that means what? The radius of the earth is r. The variation of g, that means what? What is g? Acceleration due to gravity is shown by 4 graphs. Among this, which one is the correct graph? That you are going to find. Okay, that's all. So this is the earth. This is the center of the earth, and the capital R is the radius. And what is small r? You are finding the acceleration due to gravity at various points. Let it be, maybe inside the Earth's surface, maybe outside the Earth's surface like this, or even on the surface like this. So, how the value of small g varies according to the distance small r, whether it is inside the Earth or outside the Earth, that you are going to find out. So, the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Earth, g is equal to gm by r square. So, g universal gravitational constant, m mass of the Earth or radius of the Earth. So, all these three things are constant. So, when small r is equal to capital R, it is the radius of the Earth. It's a constant. So, in all the four graphs, for r is equal to, when small r is equal to capital R, this is a single point. It means what? The value of small g, acceleration due to gravity, is a constant. 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 Then what about the other points? So, we'll see. For any point inside the Earth, what does it mean? For any point inside the Earth, the point may be at the center of the Earth, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, just below the surface of the Earth. So, but d is the depth from the surface of the Earth, and r is the distance between the center and the point. Okay, that's all. So, for any point inside the Earth, r lies between 0 and capital R. இங்க இருக்கலாம் அல்லது இந்த கடைசில இங்க இருக்கலாம் 0 and r. For that purpose, you are having a formula g dash is equal to g into 1 minus d by r. What is d, sir? D is the depth from the Earth's surface. What is the value of d? Small d is equal to capital R minus r. The whole distance is capital R, radius. And if you subtract small r here, you will get the depth. Okay. So that means what? Small d is equal to r minus r. So substitute this value in this equation. G dash is equal to g into 1 minus r minus r divided by r, because d is equal to r minus r. R minus r divided by r. So you take r as a common factor. R is equal to r minus capital R minus one more capital R minus small r. So this is minus minus plus. So divided by capital R. Okay. So it means what? This r and this r will get cancelled. This capital R, both the capital R will get cancelled. So g into small r divided by capital R. G dash is equal to gr divided by capital R. What is capital R? Radius of the Earth. What is small r? The distance from the center of the Earth and a particular point inside the Earth. Okay. So what this equation says to you? As r increases from 0 to r, capital R, value of g will increase, because g dash is directly proportional to small r. So this figure is wrong, because here the value of g remains constant up to capital R, but it is not. This equation doesn't say it like that. So as small r increases, g dash will increase. So maybe graph 1, maybe graph 2, maybe graph 3 may be correct. Definitely 4 is not the right answer. It's a wrong answer. Okay, that's all. What about the other side? What any point outside there? Let us discuss that also. So already in the previous slide we have seen that g dash is equal to gr by r, that is inside the Earth. As r increases from 0 to r, the value of g will increase linearly. Then for any point outside the Earth, it means what? R, small r lies between capital R and infinity. Above the surface of the Earth, it can go to anywhere up to infinity. For that purpose, what is acceleration due to gravity? It is a gravitational force experienced by a unit mass and resistance. So G dash is equal to Gm by r square. This is according to Newton's gravitational law. Gm by r square, m is unit mass, so Gm by r square. Small m is unit mass, so Gm by r square. So according to this equation, outside the earth, as r increases, G dash will decrease. As r increases from r to infinity, the value of G will decrease. Because G dash is inversely proportional to r square. Not only it decreases, it is directly inversely proportional to r square, not merely r, but r square. What does it mean, sir? So here the growth is linear. Here the growth will exponential. So because G dash is proportional, inversely proportional to r square, not simply r, but r square. So answer 2, figure 2 is the correct answer. Outside the earth, r increases, the value of G decreases and inversely proportional to r square. So figure 2 is the correct answer, not figure 1 or figure 3. Okay, when compared to figure 1 and figure 3. In figure 3, the growth and decline, decrease and increase, both are exponential. But in the actual practice, what we have found is during the for any point inside the earth, the growth, the increase in acceleration due to gravity is linear. Any point outside the earth, it decreases not linearly but inversely proportional to r square. So option 2, graph 2, figure 2 is the right answer for this question. Okay. So far we have discussed 15 questions in our channel in this unit 6, that is gravitation so far. Okay, that's all. In our next video we will discuss a question from properties of matter, or to say properties of solids and liquids as described in your NEET syllabus unit 7. Okay, so till the new video is aired, thank you one and all. Thank you.